All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the stickers to the blocks. So I don't normally use the stickers. I place them in the little pocket behind the stamps so that I have a place to know where each stamp goes and if I'm missing any stamps. But I do sometimes use the stickers for the sentiments, especially on red rubber, because it's harder to see on red rubber. So what I'll do is I will remove the sticker backing, and that will be my shape for the sticker. I've already trimmed off all the excess edges so that I don't stamp any halos or catch any edges in my stamping. I only get the image and not the edges of the rubber. So I'm going to just place this right over here, and it fits perfectly. And then I'm going to slowly peel it off. So now I have the sticker on here, and these stickers are pretty sticky. So I like to just take the stickiness down a bit. And you can put it on clothing, or you can just use your thumbs. Otherwise, I find it a little bit hard to remove from the block, and it has happened where people have torn their foam trying to remove it from the block. So I'll show you what I do to remove it from the block, but you definitely want to take it off the block when you're done with it, because the longer it stays, the less it wants to get off. So I'm just gonna finish doing these two so I can show you again. And this is just going to fit right in there. And then we have our sticker that we just peel off with it. So here's our sticker. And then our last one, hi there, Valentine. We can just put this, take the backing off, and then just fit this right into the shape. And there we have our sticker. And then the leftover stickers you can still put back here. And the blank spots are still gonna tell you where your stamps go. So I'm just gonna take the tack off of the Valentine one. And then this is the head over heels. And now we're going to do some stamping and see if we can get it straight now that we've put the sticker on it. So I'm going to use some basic, actually this is Memento black. So I'm going to stamp the, I think, head over heels, about you. And now with the sticker on, I can hopefully see that it's straight. There we go. Oh, and this is what I'm talking about, the halo. That looked like a halo, but I've trimmed it. Okay, now I can see that I need to scoot it over to the right a little bit so that it'll be in the middle more. Okay, so there's that one. And then this one, I'm going to stamp. So on this one, I'm stamping, I love hanging out with you. So now I can get this straight. I think that looks good. And then I'm gonna do it on this side over here. You'll see these cards this week that I'm stamping for. Okay, and then this one, I'm gonna do the head over heels, or you could do the hi there, Valentine. But I think it's super cute, and it really goes with this cute little kitty right there. Yeah, and then of course the hanging out can go with this one or this one, or the other one, because cats hang out in all different kinds of positions. If you're familiar with cats, you know. And so that is how I put the stickers on. And so now when you're peeling this back off, you just want to go very slowly and be very careful. And if you're having a tough time and you feel like it's going to rip, you can use a little palette knife, or you could use the take your pick tool, the little spatula end, and you could just use that to start pulling it up for you, so you can pull the rest up without tearing anything. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.